Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into our video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change your language on DAZN app. First of all, open up the DAZN mobile application. Without moving further in the video, make sure that you're subscribed to Solution Lab if you haven't already subscribed, and turn on that bell icon to get latest notifications on any latest updates of the apps. So now let's resume our video. So once you're in the DAZN app, now what you can do is the main screen of your DAZN app will appear. If you want to change the language on your DAZN app, it's a pretty easy step, so just follow our guide. Click at the top right corner where your profile is appearing. Once you click on it, this interface will appear. Scroll down and you should be able to find the option of settings. Simply tap on settings and this interface will appear. Now at the very bottom of the screen, you should be able to find account settings. You can see that there is only one option of delete account, so go back from here. As you can see, I don't have a proper account on DAZN. Otherwise what you can do is you will get the option of settings and you will get the option of language. Simply go in the languages and from there you can easily select and change the specific language on DAZN according to your own language. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.